Yes, so first of all, I need to admit that it's a great opportunity to meet with airlines, tech providers, representatives, so basically industry leaders. Even though there are a couple of specific POCs, each of having a different ambitions, I think we are all united by a common goal, which is to identify challenges for aviation and find the best technological way to resolve them. I can say that it's very inspiring for me to see exchange of numerous ideas how to find the best technological way. So there is a room for knowledge sharing, gaining unique insights. That's all like fantastic. On a personal note, I can say that working with such open-minded and forward-thinking partners was a pure pleasure.